Of course, it has some limitations and it has some cynics. A lot of AI cynics have many issues with Chat GPT. Of course, many believe that it creates an existential risk. It is going to take away jobs. It is going to replace lawyers. It's going to replace legal assistants. It's going to replace secretaries. But we have had this before when the train was coming and replacing the horse when the candle was being replaced by a bulb. We had all this noise that there would be no work for the candle maker, or there would be no work for the horse rider, but the world moved on and people continued getting work. So among other limitations, it is said to lack the common sense which a human being can have. It doesn't have certain human aspects. For example, it wouldn't smile for you, it wouldn't cry for you. These empathetic issues are quite important and it can't do them. It is also susceptible to bias simply because it will reproduce based on the volume of data it is processing. So if the data is biased, it is likely to create biased responses. So it is not necessarily working in a mathematical way, which is inviolable. And it has a limited capacity. Of course, its capacity is based on its algorithms. So the way a human being could change based on an environment, based on weather, based on who it is interacting with, based on the political environment, Chat GPT may not be able to adjust based on those externalities. Also, it may not handle, of course, what you call difficult tasks other than language. It will not dance for you. It will not sit down. It will not respond to certain complex tasks. And very many fear for the security of the data which it handles. There have been an alarming level of concern about whether the data which it processes is secure. So, for example, if you asked it to process with certain serious data, actual client data, actual some data of the individuals which may be in your possession, which is supposed to be protected, and it is sensitized by Chat GPT, it's possible that it is put in the aggregate data, which it uses to process all other information, and therefore it becomes compromised.